Real property is the land and everything that's attached and the bundle of rights. Personal property may become a fixture. And the way that we look at that is what are the intent, the method of attachment, the agreement that the parties may have, and the way that it's adapted to the property. A bundle of rights include disposition, enjoyment, exclusion, possession, and control. We can own real estate in either fee simple or life estate. Remember, the bulk of the time, in most cases, it's fee simple. The homestead, remember, is protected from judgment lien foreclosures. A tenant by the entirety, this is your husband and wife or the marriage ownership. The joint tenancy is equal possession, interest, time, and title. They all have to be equal. They had to purchase at the same time with the same deed. And there has to be a stated right of survivorship. Condos and co-ops have rescission periods. If they're brand new and never been sold before, 15 days. If they're a resale, it's 3 business days. And in both cases, is from the date that they either receive their proper documentation or entered into a contract, whichever comes first. Timeshare rescission period is 10 days from the date that you get your public offering statement. Water restrictions include littoral and riparian rights. A life estate terminates when somebody dies. A tenancy for years has a beginning date, an ending date, and is in writing. A tenancy at will, this could be a month-to-month renter that is a beginning date but no ending date. And that can be terminated with a 15-day notice. A tenant at sufferance is simply a holdover with no agreement. And that is the end of my Chapter 8 review.